Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Cool Kim, and this is a Life After Hip Hop quick tip.
I'll receive the message and you will play the same.
So, home ownership isn't just about buying a home, saving the money up to get one and going in. And DIY isn't just about coming up with a snazzy decorative project that you want to do and then implementing it. Owning a home and DIY is about having the capacity and the ability to repair your projects or repair your home. If you own a home and you can't repair it, then you're looking at an additional cost and additional expenditure that may be beyond your ability to handle. In this case, dealing with a toilet bowl that won't fill back up after it flushes. I have no point of reference for how to fix it, but what I'm doing is just checking some of the things that I know might be a problem. For example, I know that in a lot of things that are plumbing oriented, to check out, if the gasket is in, decent condition. It appears that the gasket is working fine. Well, actually, it looks a little bit set askew, so I'm going to try to set it right there. Set it back inside. Turn it, and we'll see if we got pay dirt here. And look at that, working normally now. So, again, sometimes you got to figure it out. Sometimes you're not going to know what's going on. The main thing is to be prepared to do some fixes. If you can't figure it out, don't be afraid to go on YouTube or go on Life After Hip Hop, ask some questions, and see what's going on. In the meantime, y'all stay up. Life After Hip Hop. Peace.